करंट अफेयर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्विज फेब्रुअरी वीक 3rd and 4th। सबसे पहला है क्वेश्चन, विच बैंक हैज़ रिसेंटली पार्टनर्ड विथ क्रिटा सॉल्यूशंस टू लॉन्च इट्स न्यू कलेक्शंस प्लेटफॉर्म। द आंसर इज आरबीएल बैंक। ठीक है, आरबीएल बैंक ने क्या किया है, पार्टनरशिप किया है क्रिटा सॉल्यूशन टू लॉन्च व्हाट, न्यू सॉल्यूशन। इसका आंसर आएगा आरबीएल बैंक। आरबीएल बैंक का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, रत्नाकर बैंक लिमिटेड। फुल फॉर्म है रत्नाकर बैंक लिमिटेड। ओके, next question is international epilepsy day is observed every year on which day? The answer is 2nd Monday of February। ठीक है, इंटरनेशनल एपिलेप्सी डे जो होता है वो मनाते हैं हम लोग 2nd Monday of February, that is on 14th of Feb। ठीक है, 14th of Feb को है एपिलेप्सी डे। Next question, name the scheme launched by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment for the welfare of the transgender community and beggars, that is SMILE। ठीक है, स्माइल किसके लिए है, that is for transgender community and beggars। Okay, next question is, who among the following has been appointed as brand ambassador and investor of कृषि network? ठीक है, इसका आंसर है पंकज त्रिपाठी। सो बेसिकली पंकज त्रिपाठी जो है वो अपॉइंट किए गए हैं एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ एंड इन्वेस्टर ऑफ कृषि नेटवर्क। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आई वांटेड टू टेल यू ऑल व्हाट इज दिस फुल फॉर्म ऑफ स्माइल। ओके, स्माइल का लिख लो, स्ट्रक्चर कॉमा मीनिंग कॉमा इमेजिनरी इमेजरी कॉमा लैंग्वेज इफेक्ट। ओके, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ स्माइल? इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, मीनिंग, इमेजरी, लैंग्वेज, इफेक्ट। ठीक है, ओके, नेक्स्ट, एंड दिस वाज फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी एंड बेगर्स। Next question, the Indian Air Force will be participating with which of its aircraft to showcase in the Singapore Air Show 2022? ठीक है, that is Tejas। So Indian Air Force will be participating with Tejas aircraft in Singapore Air Show 2022। अगला सवाल है, CBI has recently registered the biggest ever fraud case by which company? that is APG शिपयार्ड। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल बन सकता है। APG शिपयार्ड जो है वो लोगों ने क्या किया है, बहुत बड़ा फ्रॉड किया है। ठीक है, और किसने आइडेंटिफाई किया, ये CBI। नेक्स्ट इज, इन विच सिटी इंडियन रेलवेज इज सेटिंग अप द कंट्रीज बिगेस्ट एंड वर्ल्ड क्लास रेसलिंग अकेडमी टू सपोर्ट रेसलर्स एट स्पोर्ट्स? द आंसर इज दिल्ली। ठीक है, सो दिल्ली would be the city where it would be supporting wrestling as sports। Okay, next is, ISRO successfully launched which Earth observation satellite in its first launch of the year 2022? The answer is D, that is EOS-4। Next, Reliance Jio has inked an agreement with which company to offer satellite-based broadband communication services in India? इसका आंसर है सेज लुक्सेमबर्ग। ठीक है, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा विल अक्वायर यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडियाज -% स्टेक इन इंडिया फर्स्ट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉरपोरेशन। इसका आंसर आएगा 21%। कितना परसेंट है, 21% स्टेक अक्वायर करेगा। ठीक है, अगला सवाल, Center has allocated rupees 2.26 crore for Medaram Jatra 2022 festival। The biennial festival is organized in which state? ठीक है, इसका आंसर आएगा तेलंगाना। कौन सा है, मेडरम जात्रा फेस्टिवल जो है वो होने वाला है तेलंगाना में। Alright, next question, Vedanta has tied with which company to form a joint venture for manufacturing semiconductors in India? The answer is Acer। ओके, नेक्स्ट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, जिसका शॉर्टकट है हम लोग बोलते हैं MOSPI। ठीक है, हैज़ प्रोजेक्टेड इंडियाज ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट डिफ्लेटर फॉर द ईयर 23 at dash, that is 8 to 8.6%। Next, center has reduced the agri cess for crude palm oil from dash to dash percent, that is 7.5% to 5%. Recently ICC has announced as Heather Knight, okay, Heather Knight as the women player of the month for 20 January 2022. वो कौन से टीम के वुमेन कैप्टन है? शी इज़ ऑफ इंग्लैंड. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट इज हु हैज़ लॉन्च द फर्स्ट कलर सोवेनियर कॉइन ऑन पंचतंत्र on the occasion of the 17th Foundation Day of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. This is the full form for SPMICL. The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. ओके. अगला है टोबैको. क्विट टोबैको. टोबैको हिंदी में बोलते हैं हम लोग तंबाकू. Quit Tobacco app has been launched by which organization to support people in quitting the use of tobacco in all forms? The answer is WHO. WHO का full form है World Health Organization. Okay, all right. Next, in 2017, SEBI has formed a committee on corporate governance, which recommended separating the roles of chairperson and MD and CEO of listed entities. Who was the head of this committee? The answer is Uday Kotak. Next, what is the name of the scheme launched by Social Justice Ministry for the welfare of denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic tribal communities? The answer is SEED. Okay. Name the Union Minister for Power in Government of India who co-chaired the 4th India-Australia Energy Dialogue recently. That is Raj Kumar Singh. The Faith 2035 vision document has recently been released for which sector? That is tourism sector. Okay. Twitter Inc. has partnered with which company to improve the support for its tips feature in India? कौन सा कंपनी है? That is Paytm. Okay. Next, which team has won the Senior National Volleyball Championship 2021-22 in men's category? That is Haryana. RBI has extended the deadline for non-banking financial companies NBFCs बोलते हैं जिसको हम लोग to comply with new non-NPAs classification norms to dash, that is September 2022. Okay. अगला है which bank has won the best technology bank of the year award among large bank segment in IBA's 17th annual banking technology awards? That is the Bank of Baroda. Okay, the Smart Card Arms License and Shastra app has been launched by which police department of which state or union territory? That is Delhi. ठीक है, Shastra app Delhi याद रखना है. Next is which day of the year has been dedicated for commemorating the World Pangolin Day every year? That is third Saturday of February. Okay, third Saturday of February is 19th. Okay, so 19th of February has been declared as the World Pangolin Day. Next, which country will become the first country to adopt the India's UPI platform? Okay, that is Nepal. Who has been appointed as a new director of Institute of Economic Growth? That is Chetan Ghate. Okay, Chetan Ghate has been appointed as the new director of Institute of Economic Growth. Which bank has won the Best Technology Bank of the Year award among large bank segment in IBA's 17th Annual Banking Technology Awards 2021? That is BOB. मतलब BOB मतलब Bank of Baroda. ठीक है. अगला सवाल है The Smart Card Arms License and Shastra app has been launched by which police department of which state or union territory? That is Delhi. Which day of the year has been dedicated for commemorating? ये तो हो गया ना 19th of February. लेजेंडरी इंडियन प्लेयर सुरजीत सेनगुप्ता. ठीक है, सुरजीत सेनगुप्ता इनका देहांत हो गया है और इन्होंने नेशनल लेवल पे भी खेला है. ठीक है, तो कौन सा गेम खेलते थे? ये आंसर इज फुटबॉल. तो याद रखना है आपको सुरजीत सेनगुप्ता, ही वॉज अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर एंड ही इज़ नो मोर. एवरी ईयर इंडिया ऑब्जर्व द सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड डे on dash to commemorate the launch of soil health card scheme? That is answer is 19th of February. ध्यान रखना 19th of February को we celebrate soil health card day as well as we celebrate World Pangolin Day. Which of the following film has won the Film of the Year award at the दादा साहेब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड 2022? ये है पुष्पा द राइज. ठीक है, तो फिल्म ऑफ द ईयर मिला है, किसको मिला है? पुष्पा द राइज, जिसमें अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर है. द इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी सीजन विल बी हेल्ड एट विच प्लेस इन 2023? दैट इज मुंबई. तो हमारे यहाँ पे होगा मुंबई में. International Mother Language Day is marked annually on which day? That is 21st of Feb. Who among the following has won the Best Actress Award at Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards 2022? That is Kirti Sanon. Okay. The book titled A Nation to Protect has been authored by dash. That is Priyam Gandhi Modi. Okay. Who among the following has authored a new book, A History of Sriniketan, Rabindranath Tagore's pioneering work in rural construction? That is Umadas Gupta. वर्ल्ड थिंकिंग डे जो है कभी ऑब्जर्व होता है? हर साल. दैट इज 22 फरवरी. ठीक है. इंडियन एयरफोर्स इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन एक्सरसाइज ईस्टर्न 6 in 22 विथ विच कंट्री एट इंडियन एयरफोर्स स्टेशन जोधपुर? ये होगा ओमान. Next is which Indian power company has recently partnered with Germany based RWE, that is Renewable Energy GmbH, to explore potential for a joint development of offshore wind projects in India? That is Tata Power. Okay. अगला सवाल है नोटेड फ्रीडम फाइटर एंड गांधीयन सोशल वर्कर शकुंतला चौधरी. उनका देहांत हो गया है एंड वो कौन से स्टेट से थे? शी वॉज फ्रॉम आसाम. Ministry of Education has approved the continuation of राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान scheme till dash. That is 31st of March 2026. Next is the Union government has organized week-long science exhibition titled Vigyan Shastra Pujyate. The event has been organized at how many locations simultaneously? That is 75. Okay. Sea-Dome is a naval air defense system successfully tested by which country recently? That is Israel. Okay. PM Modi has inaugurated the Kisan Drone Yatra, an initiative by dash. That is Garuda Aerospace. Kerala Startup Mission has collaborated with which company to launch Startups Accelerator for startups to foster global links? इसका आंसर आएगा गूगल. ठीक है. Okay, next is Tanishka Kotia and Ridhika Kotia has been appointed as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao brand ambassador of dash. That is Gurugram. Okay. अगला सवाल the exercise Cobra Warrior 22 annual exercise is organized by Air Force of which country? That is UK. Okay. Who is the current chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister EAC PM? That is Bibek Debroy. Which payment bank has announced to sign up as an official acquiring partner for e-rupee vouchers which will be accessible at offline stores across India? That is Paytm Payments Bank. Which of the following district in India becomes the 100th Har Ghar Jal district? वो है चांबा. अगला सवाल है IBM has recently launched a new cyber security hub to address cyber attacks in Asia Pacific region. Where is the hub located? That is Bangalore. Indian Navy received its final anti-submarine warfare aircraft P-8I from Boeing recently. How much anti-submarine warfare aircraft PI does the Indian Navy possess now? That is 12. Okay, next. Who is the author of the book The Great Tech Name Shaping Geopolitics and Destinies of Nations? That is Anirudh Suri. Okay. Name the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank whose reappointment to post has been approved by RBI. That is Rakesh Sharma. What percent of stake has been bought by Airtel from Vodafone in Indus Towers? That is 4.7%. ठीक है. GDP growth rate for the year 22 by Brickworks ratings, that is 8.3% GDP growth rate है. अगला सवाल है एक्सरसाइज धर्मा गार्डियन 22 इज अ मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज ऑफ इंडिया विथ विच कंट्री? दैट इज France. Okay, who has been recently appointed as the CEO of National E-Governance Division? That is Abhishek Singh. Okay, अगला सवाल which bank has launched co-branded contactless credit cards with Patanjali? इसका आंसर है पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. Okay, Exim Bank extends a $500 million credit line to which country for financing the purchase of petroleum products? इसका आंसर आएगा श्रीलंका. ठीक है, तो श्रीलंका फाइनेंस करने वाला है for what? For petroleum products. Okay, next, which bank tie up with Credita Solutions for Neo Collections platform? This we have already seen. RBL Bank, जिसका full form है रत्नाकर बैंक लिमिटेड. अगला सवाल है CBI finds India's biggest bank fraud of 22,842 crore books ABG Shipyard. Where is the headquarter of ABG Shipyard located? That is Mumbai. Next is which of the following bank will acquire Union Bank's stake in India First Life Insurance? That is Bank of Baroda. Okay, which bank has announced a partnership with NSC Academy to launch 5 online courses that promote financial literacy as a necessary life skill? That is State Bank of India. All right, so this were current affairs of February week 3rd and 4th. Thank you.